Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ainul Sahana Larasati, student ID number 001. In this occasion, I will present my research paper entitled The Ways of UMY Dental Student in Changing the Stigma of Society Towards Mental Health Problem. Before that, I will show you an outline. First is introduction, and then the literature review, the method, result, discussion, and then conclusion. The first one I will present is introduction. But before that, I wanna ask you a question. Have you ever heard or encountered a negative stigma about mental health in your society, like going to mental hospital or a psycholog, psychiater is a crazy people or something like that? Okay, maybe some of you have heard of it, but some of you haven't. But what does stigma mean? So, according to Weiss and Ramakrishna 2006, stigma is characterized as an experience or activity composed of rejection or disparagement that is formed by a judgment about a person or group with a particular difficulty. And the stigma can make families with mental disorder more likely to seek informal help like shamans or religion experts than formal help like psycholog or psychiater. And this is from Subandi and Utami 1996. And according to the World Health Organization 2030, explicitly state that negative attitude result from a lack of subject knowledge, and it means that knowledge plays an important role in this issue. Next slide is the purpose of this survey research. So the purpose is to find out what attitude students at Muhammadiyah University Yogyakarta class 2020 can take to change mental health stigma, so that it is hoped that there will be steps to change that stigma. So move on to the next slide. I will explain the literature review. So in this literature review, there are 2 points. First is theoretical framework, and the second is empirical review. Let's begin with theoretical framework. First is the definition of mental health itself. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, defines mental health as a state of real well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. And the second is the process of the stigma. According to Corrigan 2004, structural stigma is a process, and the process involves A. The recognition of Q that a person has mental illness, B. Is activation of stereotypes, and C. Prejudice or discrimination against that person. And then we are going to empirical review. So in this empirical review, it explained that one of the methods used to try to reduce stigma is through education. Education is a means of conveying fact or information for a specific population. Often, education is used straight to the contradiction between myth and fact. According to Coulter and Penn 2003, direct contact or interaction is an additional way to reduce stigma. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. I will explain about research method. This study is designed as a quantitative study method and is survey conducted via Google Form, and for the participants are dental students at the Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta class of 2020. For the instrument, the questionnaire is constructed as a multiple choice question, yes or no question, and short answer question. For the procedure, so the respondent will be requested to simply fill in and complete the questionnaire. Instruction to fill the questionnaire will also be provided. Invitation by link Google Form will be distributed through social media application via WhatsApp. And for the data analysis, I use Microsoft Excel and manually. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. The next slide is a result. First of all, I will explain table 1. From this table, we can see that in the first column, all of the 2020 dental students answer yes. They show that of the 50 people who participate, all of them told that mental health was important. The second column, 8 participants answer yes, had experienced mental health problem, and 9 participants answer no, had never experienced mental health problem. In the third column, 30 participants answered yes. There were people in their environment who experienced mental health, and 4 participants answered no. No one in their environment had mental health. The fourth column, 60 participants answered yes, had heard of negative stigma related to mental health, and 1 participant answered no, had never heard of negative stigma related to mental health. The fifth column, 50 participants talk about trying to change the negative stigma, and 2 participants never talk but trying to change the negative stigma. The sixth column, 40 participants want to try to take a new step and action to try to make change related to the negative mental health stigma that existed in the social environment, and 3 participants did not want to try to take a new step and action to try to make change related to the negative stigma of mental health in the social environment. Okay, let's move on to the next table. The next table is table 2. We can see that most participants, that is 12, for negative stigma on social media, would be 7 participants answering school, 40 participants answering resident, 2 participants answering family, and 1 participant answering never hearing negative stigma related to mental health. Next table, table 3. From this table, we can see that most of the 2020 UMU dental students found that the negative stigma related to mental health that they had heard and encountered was the stigma that visiting a psychiatrist was taboo and often called crazy, and prevented someone from achieving their goals. However, from the respondent answer, there was 1 respondent who did not answer this question without knowing supporting reason. Next, table 4. From this table, we can see that almost all of the 2020 UMU dental students, that is 60, are of the opinion that the negative stigma related to mental health circulating in their community is not true, because this mental health issue is very important, and visiting a psychiatrist doesn't mean that you are crazy. And some answered that putting a negative stigma on mental health was inappropriate because everyone has their own difficulties. And from this table, we can also see that there was 1 participant who didn't express this opinion on this issue. Next is table 5. From this table, we can see that almost all of the participants, that is 60, answered questions regarding the method to be used to change the mental health stigma. Most of the participants answered that the best method starts with oneself first, by understanding the condition of others and the discriminatory, and also be through socialization or counseling, through community and teacher. Then there were also answered by telling friends about mental health social media like Instagram. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Next slide is discussion. So this study found that most of the 2020 UMU dental students has their own opinion and experience toward this issue of mental health problem that's circulating in their community. Related to the issue of mental health stigma in the community, almost all of the participants, that is 60, answered that they had heard of and encountered the stigma. This finding is supported by previous research which found a high rate of passing in people with mental disorder, especially schizophrenia. The existence of this negative stigma makes suffer more depressed and close themselves so that they do not even dare to visit a psychiatrist. And also, previous research has also revealed that people with mental disorder and mental emotional disorder are common, but 1/3 of those who need treatment view it as a fear of stigma and discrimination which will be obtained. Then from the result, it was also found that 8 participants had experienced mental health problems. This figure is quite large. This is because the adolescent period, cortisol increased significantly in response to stressors, so that the risk of causing stress according to Stroud et al. 2009. Based on the answer and opinion expressed by the participants regarding to the untruth of mental health problems circulating in their community and their enthusiastic answer regarding the method used to change the negative stigma of mental health, UMU dental students were considered to have understood mental health issue. as for their opinion about the untruth of the stigma, because there is a level of problem in each individual that cannot be generalized. The negative stigma of society on people with mental health disorder also makes sufferers do not get appropriate treatment and make a lack of open society towards mental health disorder, so that the people are trapped in own perspective. To change this stigma, every dental student of MBA class 2020 channel their opinion through form, and from this result, obtain most of the participants answered that the best method start with oneself first, by understanding the condition of others and not discriminatory. Then it can also be through socialization or counseling to the community, parents, and teacher. Then there were also those who answered by telling friends about mental health social media like Instagram. If it is related to the previous finding, persuasive communication is a more effective way to be used for education related to mental health. As an example, by using social media such as digital comic about mental health in Instagram account. Move on to the next slide is the conclusion. So, this study found that the level of knowledge of the 2020 OMB dental students who participate in this study related to the issue of negative mental health stigma show quite good result. This can be seen by the high participant in answering their question and opinion. Most of the participants answered that the issue of mental health is a very important issue, and also they think that the negative mental health stigma circulating around them is not true. Regarding how to change the stigma, most of the participants answered by starting from themselves to be non-judgmental, and also by holding education through socialization, while the media that was considered effective was the Instagram platform, like using persuasive communication such as digital comic. And then last slide is the reference that I use for this paper research. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.